In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom checkout with third-party payments in Wix Stores using Stripe as an example. Let's dive right in, starting at Wix.com. Log in to get to the dashboard of the specific website you'd like to edit. Here you'll see a sidebar on the left. Depending on your Wix version, click either Store Products or Settings. Before proceeding, ensure your site is on a Business Premium plan, because the ability to customize checkout necessitates payment processing features. Now within the dashboard, navigate to Store and then Checkout Settings. This section is crucial because it offers an array of options. You'll find configurations for layout and design, fields displayed during checkout, and various payment and shipping settings. Additionally, it covers your policies including privacy, refund, and terms and conditions. A quick tip here: get familiar with each of these sections. Even minor adjustments can significantly enhance your conversion rates. Let's move on to customizing the checkout fields. Click on Edit Checkout Fields to make the necessary changes. Here you can add, remove, or reorder fields such as name, email, phone number, shipping address, and any custom requests like a gift message or delivery instructions. You can also decide whether these fields are required or optional. A word of advice though, aim for simplicity. Minimizing the number of fields can help prevent cart abandonment. In the checkout design section, really focus on aligning with your brand's aesthetics. Adjust colors, fonts, and button styles so that they feel consistent with your brand identity. You can decide on a one-page checkout or go for a multi-step process. And don't forget to include your logo and other branding elements. A clean and visually engaging checkout page builds customer confidence. It's time to set up your payment options. In the payment section, go to Accept Payments. You'll be presented with various payment methods such as credit and debit cards via Wix Payments, PayPal, Stripe, and even manual methods like direct bank transfers or cash on delivery. Be sure to thoroughly test each payment method with a small transaction before going live. Diversifying your payment options can really attract more buyers. For Stripe, visit stripe.com to create an account and finish the verification process. Once complete, you'll access your publishable and secret keys from their dashboard. Decide between live mode for real transactions and test mode for trial runs. A best practice is to start with test mode. This way you avoid unintentional charges during the setup. In the Wix editor, add a new page for your custom checkout. Name it Custom Checkout and insert form elements to collect crucial customer info such as names, emails, phone numbers, and shipping addresses. Include a section for product selection or a cart summary. Importantly, add a Pay Now button that triggers Stripe payment. Once everything is polished, switch Stripe to live mode and publish your Wix site. Keep a close eye on transactions and gather customer feedback. You'll manage payments using the Stripe dashboard and handle customer info through the Wix database. By following these steps, you'll set up a custom checkout that not only looks good, but is functional and responsive to your customers' needs.